Hello, everyone. I'm Leonardo Gonzáles from Tecnalia, and I will very briefly explain our connected car use case for the DOSS project. So the use case we bring into the DOSS project we call automated parking. In it, we are putting our platforms to the use of the different developments in the DOSS project. Our platforms include a vehicle, an automated vehicle, and our testing track and our simulation capabilities for different vehicles as well. In this use case, the vehicle or vehicles will be in automated mode in the premises of our test track, and a remote operator will be overseeing the work of these vehicles in the track. And upon a trigger, yet to define, the vehicle will initiate an automated parking maneuver. This automated parking maneuver and this handling will incur in communications from both sides, from the control station to the vehicle, and from the vehicle to the control station. Once this communication is started, then the remote station can monitor the area and select and validate a parking spot available for the vehicle. And finally, the vehicle will automatically park in this spot. Other vehicles might initiate the same protocol after the first one, or be already parked in the scenario and require some handling from the monitoring of the cameras. Our general hardware architecture looks as such. We have an automated vehicle. In this slide, we have an automated PC. And inside of automated platform, we are equipped with an industrial computer, an IPC, which is the main brain for the operation. This is in turn connected to three main sensors: a localization sensor, where we use a GNSS and EMU combo. We also use a LiDAR sensor for localization as well as perception systems, and we use a set of cameras to look at our surroundings in the automated parking maneuver. In the lower part of the image, you see our control station architecture. We have a server for monitoring, mainly health, from the automated vehicle, and we also will control and override the maneuver of auto parking from an auto parking specific system in the control station. So to go a bit more in depth in our storyline, here we can see at the right side our testing track facilities. And to go over our storyline, first we need to establish the kind of communications we have in our vehicle. So the vehicle will be communicated with this remote control station through three main protocols. We have WebSocket communication, where we send packets for mainly commands to the vehicle. When we're talking about commands, we say things similarly to selecting the parking spot or doing a specific maneuver. We also have WebRTC, which is the protocol we're using to stream camera data from the vehicle to the control station. This provides the remote operator with eyes in the scene. And finally, we have the widely IoT protocol MQTT, where we transfer vehicle parameters for monitoring. These are mainly health parameters and some KPIs related to the performance of the maneuver. And the vehicle will remain, as said before, in automated mode while in the testing track. So here we see at the right side what could be an outline for our testing track. We are free to select some parking spots, and the vehicle can be doing a predefined route in automated mode. So the trigger that will initiate the automated parking is to be defined depending on the specific use case. But for example, we can think of this as something outside of the ODD initially by the service. Something as the battery life of the vehicle is low, we need some maintenance, there is some remote command that forces the vehicle to do this automated parking at the end of the route, or even geofencing can trigger this. So upon this trigger, the cameras will start transmitting camera feed to the remote operator. And only at this time, the remote operator will be aware that the vehicle is in the automated parking area or in the automated parking maneuver. And then the remote operator will select a free spot visualized to the camera feed. which will issue a command confirmation from the vehicle, which will inform the vehicle and let it know that it wants to park in a selected spot. The vehicle will confirm this and initialize the parking of the vehicle in automated mode, while the remote operator monitors the area and makes sure that everything is safe. Thank you all very much for your attention. I hope this was illustrative of our connected car use case. Please get in touch if you need more information.